How to fix Instagram video call filters not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your filters back up and running during video calls. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Instagram and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Permissions. From there, tap on Camera and make sure it is set to Allow. Go back and tap on Microphone. Make sure that is set to Allow as well. Once done, go back and open the Instagram app. Start a video call and check if the filters are working again. From here, if filters are still not showing up, go back to the app info page for Instagram. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. Then reopen Instagram and try the video call filters again. From here, if it's still not working, open the Play Store. Search for Instagram at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen the app and check if the filters are back. Finally, if the issue still continues, tap on the 3 lines on your profile. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help. Tap on Report a Problem and describe what's happening so Instagram can look into it. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Instagram video call filters, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.